Everyone, I'm just giving you a basic ukulele tutorial because I'm teaching it at school and a lot of people struggle with it. So I'm just going to give you the very, very basic information and a few little cheat ways to figure out things. So when you first get your ukulele, the best thing to do is to see if it's in tune. So I know a little bit about music, so I know that it should sound like my uke sounds great. My uke sounds great. Hear that one? It's not quite right. My uke, that's better. My uke sounds great. Now I know that it's in tune. I can start to show you. I'm going to show you C and then I'm going to show you F. Now, if you want C, we don't count our thumb because our thumb rests over the neck of the ukulele and our thumb strums over the sound hole. That's because sound travels through the hole and bounces back out. So if you want the best sound, you're going to run your thumb down like this. Now, not everybody knew to do this. When they were learning C for the first time, I noticed a lot of them just plucking one string. That's not going to work. You have to hold the string down with your fingers on this end and then run your whole hand down, your whole thumb like that. When you get better at it, you'll strum with all your fingers like that. And some people choose to use a pick when they're starting off because when you're starting off practicing a lot, your thumbs and your fingers can get pretty sore. Okay, 4 fingers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we count with when we're using ukulele, not our thumb. All right, thumbs up here. So you're going to get your third finger or your ring finger, I call it, and you're going to count down what we call frets. Frets are these bars that run down vertically across. Horizontal is your strings, vertical is your fret bars. So you're going to count 1, 2, 3. There's the third fret, and you're going to pop your finger on string number 1. We number our strings from the bottom up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So string number 1. You're going to hold that down and then strum. That is a C, play it with me. All right, give that a strum. You just made your first note, a C. Congratulations. Now we're going to have a go at F. F is a little trickier because you need finger number 1 and finger number 2. 2 fingers. Now I call them the peace symbol. All right. And the peace fingers are going to go in fret 1 and fret 2. I always get my students, just put them straight down in the frets, 1 and 2. Finger 1 in fret 1 and finger 2 in fret 2. Then your first finger is going to come down and jump on string 2, and your second finger is going to go on 4. And an easy way to remember that is 2 comes before 4. 2 and 4. That is your F. Can you hear the difference? So if I go back to C, 3, 3, 1 is our code. Third fret, third finger, first string. That's my C, and now I'll switch to F. And now I'll go back to C. Well done if you've got that. So 2 and 4, that's my F. And then C. So you can sing a whole song with that. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. Sorry, I got a frog in my throat today. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Now, when you start starting, I just say have a go at C and F. All right. When you get really good at your C and your F, have a go at G. G is all three. Okay. Get your peace fingers ready. Now your peace fingers, they're going to have a sleepover. They're going to bunk down in the same fret together. So they're going to go in fret 2. This bit's a little bit tricky because you're going to have to turn your hand to the side. All right. Now the big guy, finger number 2, he is too big for the top bunk. So he's going to sleep down the bottom on string 1. And your first finger in the same fret, he's going to jump up to the 3rd string. Okay. 1 and 3. Now, your ring finger that was playing the C before is going to jump up to string number 2. So you've kind of made a little triangle. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 1 and 3, they're hanging out in number 2 fret. And number 3, he's jumping up on the 2nd string. And when I play this, I call it the twangy note because it's a bit of a odd sound. And then back to C. All right, so this is how it sounds now. See if you notice the difference. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me 2 and 4 happy when skies are gray. You'll never, back up to 2 and 4, no dear, how much I, back down to C, love you. Please don't, this is our twangy note, take my sunshine away. I hope that you did as well with that as I think you should after learning those notes. So let's have a go again. C, 3, 3, 1. F, peace fingers, 1st and 2nd frets, string 2 and string 4. And then G is all 3. These two are hanging out together. Remember, they're having a sleepover. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 1st string, 1st finger, 2nd fret again, but he's on the 3rd string. And then our ring finger, he's not going to play C, he's going to jump up and play 2. 1, 2, 3. I hope that was really helpful and easy to understand and that you can figure out those little cheats to help you switch. And then the best thing to do is play, 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 play. Because if you've got a new ukulele, it's going to stretch out your strings. So you'll have to keep checking, my uke sounds great, and maybe adjust them. There are apps that you can download for that. And then the other thing you need to do is just practice changing those fingers around, which I found a little tricky at the start. It's taken me a long time too. Thank you for joining me, and I hope that you do really well at your ukulele. Bye for now.